Oh, it decided to light me up. Alright, we'll go check. Hello folks, this is Steve AB4L. Yeah, I did my Heart Health Climb of Faith Rock Trail. I'm all sweaty. Come on, rain! Give us rain! Don't just give us cloudy weather. Give us rain! Let's see if anything significant has happened. Give us rain! Traffic stuff is still there. Nobody behind me. The big digger's still over there. They got more boards. I think they dug out a little bit more. The stuff they're pounding in there is still stacked up. I don't see any big change. I don't see any big change. We're going to detour into the library parking lot. Yeah, man. I think the Franklinville Diner is closing up. I can see they got the chairs stacked on the tables. It's Friday night, folks. Everybody comes out on Friday night. Thursday night and especially Friday night. Yeah. Let this traffic go by. Here we go. That was probably them closing up. The Tumble Down Church on the left. We're looking again. We're nothing behind me. Absolutely nothing coming. I don't really see them doing anything right now. It's all secret. It's all underground. You know, something like that. Oh, there's a oh, I gotta take that back. Wait a minute. I gotta take that back. Hang on, I see something new. Hang on. We're scratching for every little bit. Whoop. We don't want to be in anybody's path. Whoop. Let the traffic go by. Come on. Come on, pizza. Oh, people are coming. Don't back into anybody. Whoop, they went in the gas station. All right, it's my turn now. Finally, it's my turn. Here, I'll show you what's new. I was wrong about nothing is happening. I was wrong. Let me do this. Now that digger, which is across the street, is over here. And what are we seeing here? What are we seeing here? We're seeing water main. Typical small town Main Street water main. Now they've cut some sections. That's what we're looking at there on the ground. And they've put a turn in one of them to the far right. It's got a right angle bend. Okay. And these pipes obviously come in fixed sections, and they welded two together there. Yep. And they made another one right there that is a short right angle and an facing up. Okay? So the reason why they had those wooden markers that I said what do they mean, is that's the work area. That's what it was for. I'll show you one of the stakes as we go out this way. See this stake right here to the left with the white ribbon on it. Now, does that match up to what they're likely doing here? And I think the answer is yes. I think the length is correct, I think the right angle is correct, and I think the look up end of a pipe is correct. So they're then in the process of building the pipes that will go into the ground to replace what's there that needed fixing. There we go. There's our visit to Franklinville. I love this town. Randolph County, North Carolina, after I had my heart health climb up Faith Rock Trail, Steve AB4Yell saying see you in 73.